5-2, send the 56 to cross the Roosevelt. Hey, what's going on? Hey, I'm Officer Davis of Jacksonville Police. What you up to? Do what? Nah, hey, come on. Come here. Come here. Hey, sir, stop. Come here. Stop right now.
How you doing now, man?
Yeah, you are. Come here. 56 needs to pick it up. Hey, come here right now. You're detained. Stop. Get your hands out your pockets right now. Stop.
Get the fuck up off me.
You better stop right now. Pick it up. Go through.
Get up off me. I ain't did nothing.
You better stop right now.
Get up off me.
I told you to stop. Better get your fucking hands out your pockets. Right now. Hands out your pockets. On the ground.
I ain't doing no motherfucker.
Get on the ground. This isn't going to end well for you. I hope you know that. You know you're up to no good. Let's go. Come on. Get your hands out your pockets. Get on the fucking ground right now. I'm at Roosevelt and Joyner. I'm at Roosevelt and Joyner. I'm at Roosevelt and Joyner. Everybody stay off the net. That unit coming up on Pike. Come on. I'm behind the house on Joyner. On the ground right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I did that, man. Turn over here and get it again. I did that, man. I did that, man. Turn over. Turn over here and get it again. I did that, man. Damn, bro. Fucking hands on your back.
Your hands don't.
It's off.
Stop locking up.
Stop locking up.
Stop locking up.
I'm going to tase you again if you don't give me your hands. You understand that?
Give me your hands. Stop locking up.
Drop a lot of skills.
Okay, so you're still. Got it?
Got this guy right there.
Here's your pepper spray.
Is he sprayed?
Okay.
Huh? Is he sprayed also? No. Okay.
Great, well. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Ready? Roll over. Alright. Any weapons on him?
No, I got no weapons.
They said you were at Cross. I was like, I'm at Cross. I was.
We're going to stand up, and then he's going to search you, okay?
This cool, but I ain't do nothing. He see me walking.
Hey,
Don't go there.
Stop arguing. Hey,
Don't go there. Let's go.
Pay attention, okay? They're gonna help you stand up, all right?
1, 2, 3. Go straight after that vehicle. Laying against this car right there.
Hey, what's your name? And how old are you? How old are you?
I didn't know this.
Okay. Are you completely out?
No, I got one.
Okay. So keep that one. We gotta put it in the top.
So I told them, I asked them that last time. They said no. I threw it away last time. They told me they didn't need it. Well, because they used to have aphids in them, but they said they don't have aphids anymore, so
Okay.
it doesn't matter.
You're out here lurking around.
I just came out from somebody's house.
Oh, bull crap.
Man, I just came out of my home. You used to be sitting by that fish right there.
What's your name?
My name might be.
Mike Bees? Is that your legal name? Or is that your street name?
That's might be. That's my name.
Your real name?
Yeah, that just came out of my home.
Hey, where did you drop all that stuff?
For real, man.
On the path.
When I came out, I was by the fish. I just came out of my home. Right there.
Hey, and I need you to fix the sound. I don't know what they did to it, but I can't turn it off. I have to put it in park for it to go off.
So, yeah, that's what I had to change for on the one that I had. It's the way they programmed it. They programmed it bad. Here, I should be unlocked. Oh, man.
What's the address?
Roosevelt, right there at the end by the fence. I just came out of there, man. That's where I just came from, man. That's why I just came out of them, man.
Yep.
I'm really mad.
He's treating me.
Yes.
So, walking up, he's got his clothes on, backpack on, so he already caught my attention, right? So he's doing this.
There's another guy right before I've never seen before. I'm wondering if they're together.
Maybe. I pass him. I look in my rear. He's like checking over his shoulder at me. I'm like, okay, well that's weird. So I whip back around, and he's kind of doing the same thing. He goes in this yard and was like goes toward the door, but doesn't really do anything. And I'm like, okay, got enough already, but I'm gonna give him a little bit more. So he comes down. So I come down cross. He's looking over his shoulder at me. I'm like, all right, that's weird. So come back around doing the same thing, and then he goes in this yard and does another little circle thing, pretends to go towards the door, then gets away from it. I'm like, all right, I'm done. So that's when I get out. I'm like, hey, come here. And he wouldn't. So, yeah. But
Yeah, well, so
and then I was like, hey, you got to stop.
When you grabbed
and then he
hold
did
of him?
this, and I was like, oh hell no.
when you grabbed hold of him, the way you were hooked, y'all were about to go this way. I was like, I am not going to be on that side of him. Luckily, I'm getting
Yeah.
in your hands.
Hey, it worked.
But y'all two were going to land on me if I'd have grabbed hold of him. I'm just now recouping my shoulder for the last time I got landed on.
In the back, you want to transport him? Or you want to give him up?
It doesn't matter. Transport him.
Okay, that'll work. I couldn't reach up real in there because his pants are so low. So you might want to pull him back out.
Be advised, we received a call for fireworks that will have been another caller.
Yeah, because like his pants were so far down that I tried to come up and like they wouldn't because they were too baggy. So I'm gonna reach up on his crotch. I don't want him to have nothing there. Come on, I'm gonna search you a little more thoroughly.